This next lecture is part 3 of Chemistry in the Body, and we are halfway through this lecture where we will review water as a solvent. Water is the solvent of life. Now, solvents have the ability to dissolve other substances, and in humans and other living organisms, we need small molecules such as sugars or oxygen to be dissolved in water first before they can be taken up into our bodies. Now, a solution is a liquid consisting of a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now, if you remember from chemistry, a homogeneous mixture is when the substances in that mixture are distributed uniformly or evenly throughout the mixture. So a solvent is what is doing this dissolving, and the solutes are what are being dissolved in the solvent. So some examples are solutes like sugar being dissolved in water, the solvent. And at some point in our lives, we have dissolve sugar in iced tea or lemonade, or if you're cooking or whatever you're doing in that case. Solvents can also be alcohols and oils, such as paint removers that dissolve paint. And so in this example, paint would be the solute. Whenever water is a solvent, both water and its solute together is called an aqueous solution. Here's an example of an aqueous solution. Salt and water. Now remember that water is polar, therefore it can dissolve many types of polar solvents such as sugar and salt that are necessary for life. All the chemical reactions in our body are done in water. Now the picture in this slide is illustrating what is happening at the molecular level when you dissolve salt in water. You can see here that the sodium and the chloride ions separate and are individually surrounded by water molecules via dipole attractions.